family member or that original letter can be used to show that the in-service incident occurred. The only thing is the in-service incident cannot be the result of the veteran's willful misconduct, but in many cases, willful alcohol or substance abuse is okay. And that's, you can think about this logically. If the willful alcohol or substance abuse is really just a manifestation of the person's illness, for example, if they have a mental health condition and they're using that as self-medication, then that's going to be okay for the VA. There's also a special rule, as you'll see under the first top dot, that allows combat veterans to prove incidences more easily because the VA recognizes that documentation in combat is harder to come by. And let's go into proving this third element, proving the linkage. So here we have to show that there's this nexus between the current disability and the in-service incident. For those of you who remember tort and the case where we're talking about the train station and the woman getting hurt and all this and that, you can think about this as just the same exact thing. This, as in the first element, will almost always require a positive linkage opinion from a medical professional. What that means is that the medical professional is going to have to look at the veteran's records and at the veteran's medical records to make a determination that there's a cause of the condition, that the date of onset of the condition, the severity of the condition, and then they have to say that they think it is as likely as not, using that kind of terminology again for the standard of proof, that in their medical opinion it is as likely as not that the person's current condition is related to the in-service incident. So you're almost always going to need that medical opinion. Now, proving linkage